Hello and welcome to this video about the job editor. The job editor is the place where you can set the content and the appearance of a job. To edit the currently loaded job, just tap on the pencil button in the job display. To edit another job, just tap on the editor button in the menu bar. In this case, I open an existing job. This is the job editor. With the folder button, you can load another job into the job editor. If you want to reset all the changes, since you have saved the job for the last time, then tap on the back button. To save the job under a different name, just tap on the field with the name of the job. With the settings button, you can enter the global job settings. These are settings that affect the whole job. The global job settings are divided into 5 sections: dimensions, repetition, style, print, data change. There will be another video that will explain more about those settings. Next to the settings button, you can see the maximum speed and the ink consumption for this job. The printer calculates the speed and consumption depending on the content of the job. If you tap on the display, you can set a target speed. If the target speed is higher than the calculated speed, then the printer will switch the font color of the maximum speed to red. Above the print band, you can see the object templates. With these templates, you can easily place content into the job. To place a template into the print band, just tap on the icon. Single line text, double line text, multi-line text, barcode, 2D code, graphic, counter, date and time, shift code. I place some more objects into the print band. The printer marks the currently selected object with a blue frame. As soon as one of the objects is selected, the printer shows the properties of the object below the print band. If the printer shows the arrow button, then there are more properties. Tap on the arrow button to see the other properties. With these 2 buttons, you can switch between the objects. To delete an object, select the object and tap on the delete button. If you want to change multiple objects in one step, you can use this button to switch to multi-selection mode. Tap on the objects you want to select. Then make the changes and deselect the mode afterwards. You can cut or copy objects. If you tap on this button shortly, the printer makes a copy of the object. If you tap longer on the button, you can select if you want to copy or cut an object. If you cut the object disappears from the print band and the button switches to the clipboard icon. By tapping on the clipboard icon, you can place the object at another place on the print band. The icon switches back to the copy icon, and now you can use the copy function again. To move the object to another place, just use the drag and drop function to move it. A helpful function to arrange the objects in the print band is the align function. To use this function, you have to select multiple objects. Then tap on the align button to get the dialog box with the available align functions. In this case, I want to align the objects to the upper border of the print band. Below the print band, you can see the scale. By tapping on the scale, you can switch between length unit or drops. On the left of the print band, there are 2 more buttons. The upper button is a special function for the work with job lists. With this button, you can synchronize the changes over all job lists that include this job. With the other button, you can generate a single test print or open a dialog box with a preview of the job. If you tap on the button shortly, the printer generates a single test print. If you tap longer on the button, then the printer opens the dialog box with the preview. These buttons are only active if you edit a job list. The function of these buttons will be explained in an upcoming video. To save the changes, just tap on the Save button in the menu bar. That's it. Now you know the general functions of the job editor.